Alright, welcome to my channel. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm going to be using the stuff from my BoxyCharm and also stuff that I ordered from Ulta from that 21-day sale. I got some good stuff that I want to use. So I'm going to be using stuff like maybe the Violet Voss palette that looks so pretty. I already showed it in my BoxyCharm unboxing. Why do I call it an unboxing? Whatever, I'll just call it that from now on. Of course, I got the Essentials palette by Violet Voss on my shirt. So these are swatched, like I said in my last BoxyCharm unboxing video. I don't think I've even used this on my channel yet. The No Problem Primer. Oh my gosh, this is super good. I mean, I would love to use this dusty rose color in this. And that pink, oh my gosh, that pink is so nice. Again, to see all these swatches, you can go to my other video. This is Plumberry. I mean, they did a great job on the purple even. So pretty. So pretty. All right. I'm going into Dusty Rose since I already set my eyelids, so I'm going to just make sure there's no creases. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush, Dusty Rose. Oh, that's too much. I'm going to go into Cinnamon. I was wondering what type of look I would do with this palette, but I think I know now. So pretty. And add a little bit. There's not even fallout. I'm going back into Dusty Rose and meeting it by the other one to the middle, but I'm not going to go any further yet because I want green to be all in the center in the middle. I'm definitely going into that green. I feel like I want to put some black on first. Black. It's just called black. It's matte, it's pigmented, it blends beautifully. It's like just a nice formula. Oh my goodness. Go into that black. And I'm just putting green over that, so don't know why I'm doing that. All right, let's finish this. Jeez, okay. All right, I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. Yeah, I want to do a cut crease. I shouldn't have used this for the black. Dang it. I guess I'll try to use this for the cut crease. Even though I want it for my eyebrows. Oh well. Alright, so I'm going to take some of this on the back of my hand. Let's try this. I haven't done a cut crease in so long. I'm going to try this green with a brush first. I usually don't ever do, well, I always try shimmers with a brush first, but I always use my finger afterwards. It's just the best. So I'm trying to blend it a little bit more. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to go into that emerald green. It's just called Emerald. So pretty. And I'm putting that green all the way in the corner. That is gorgeous. It applies with this brush. Gorgeous. That's not even wet. I am seriously So in love and impressed so far. I mean, I've used a lot in the palette, so I'm just impressed. This brush makes it a little easier to get it close to that line. It makes my eyelids look like they're bigger, and that is what a cut crease is. You create a crease that doesn't look like it's hooded. My eyes are so hooded that like the fat hangs over, and I hate that. I'm trying not to chomp, guys, but I'm sure you understand. A lot of you guys were really supportive about me, which was really nice. You guys were encouraging. It's nice. I think gold would look good. Man, that dusty rose color is beautiful too. I think I'm going to use the gold.
Oh, okay. Hello.
I see you.
I really see you. Like, a little too much, kind of. Going into dusty rose, gonna blend that out. Cinnamon, the stripper of the bunch. Alright, I'm applying a little bit of emerald in my inner corner. And then I'm reapplying the black since I applied it before I put all the other colors on in the cut crease. So I'm reapplying that to the outer corners. So here's what happened. I went a little crazy with the black. I want black and emeralds. And it's all over my face. So I'm going to take a baby wipe. I'm going to take my Shake It Off Makeup Remover by Tori Bell. I'm just going to put a little bit on here. And I'm going to take off my whole face. So I'm going to set the new base. Put some liner on. Make this more like angled and even and, you know, all that. I think I'm going to put my eyebrows on now. That is off camera. I'm sorry. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And I'll be back after they're on. Alright, done with the eyes. Let me align my eyes with... I'm going to be using the new Hank and Henry Stick With It liner. A lot of people were really excited about this when I did my BoxyCharm video for September, Boxy Lukes. And they were so excited about this one. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I was blessed with this heavenly liner. Look at that. It's completely matte. It's drying down quick. Very thin tip that actually works. I'm going to use this NYX Professional Makeup Crayon. It's just an eyeliner. I think it's hard to see with this eye look, but it goes on pretty. This stuff is actually very pretty. I tried it again and it went on this time really nicely. I think there's just too much eyeshadow like in my waterline. And this is very pretty. I want to try this in a more natural look and other looks. I think it'd be very pretty. This stuff is so nice. It is a new brand called Thrive Cosmetics, and this is Liquid Lash Extension Mascara, Bryn Rich Black. This stuff is so nice. Nothing really makes my eyelashes to where you can see them, and this stuff lengthens them very nicely. So this is what the wand looks like. However much this is, I recommend it. And you know me, I'm not really like that usually, but I posted a picture for them. I don't have to do this, but Coffee Talk Lashes is a really cool company. They're very nice, professional, and they've got really nice, cute lashes, like 20 different types. And they're very soft, very cute. I think this one's Willow. I hope I didn't get them mixed up. Then this one is Madison. And it comes in a super cute case that I'm going to keep them in. If I have other lashes, I'm going to keep them in this. It's very nice. So yeah, they are at Coffee Talk Lashes on Instagram. I don't have to advertise them. I actually like them. They were sent to me, so I'm so tired. I should be sleeping. Look at this highlight though. See, I get lost in makeup. I used everything from my BoxyCharm, my Boxy Looks. I did a look with all of it, and I think it turned out pretty good. But anyways, and this is very pretty though, from Stila. This is the Stay All Day liquid lipstick. A little bit of a smell, but it smells good. Maybe I'll wear that on top. I don't know. Let's just try this NYX lipstick, and if I don't like it, I can wipe it off. Steve Laurent, I'm gonna use that. That seems to match it. Alright, I'm gonna use this NYX in MLS15. It's whipped caviar. It had good ratings, and Ulta's pretty good about their ratings, so I'll try it. I feel like my lips look like Instagram lips right now. I love this Stila, the lipstick from them. It's like kind of metallic, but then matte. It's like so weird, but so nice and pretty. And like, you can't even feel it on your lips. It is so, so nice. Here's a look at it and my look.